Do you feel holiday drinking is causing weight gain? In this video, I will cover my 5 top tips to help you curb holiday drinking for good. Did you know that alcohol and drinking excessively during the holidays can lead to weight gain? A holiday is always around the corner with multiple gatherings, family dinners, and parties to fill up the calendar. Folks are usually worried about that extra helping of sweet potato pie or mashed potatoes, or how about those rolls and butter? But rarely do they consider the alcohol that they are consuming. Drinking alcohol is typically an afterthought and something we are expected to be doing during these gatherings. But depending on the drink and how many drinks we are consuming, you can easily rack up a substantial bill with regards to calories, which can eventually lead to weight gain and heart disease, which has nothing to do with grandma's apple pie. But first, let's look at what alcohol is doing to the body and how it's affecting your waistline before we look at what to do to stop it. Now, the first negative effect alcohol has on the body is that it dishes up all these extra calories. These are empty calories with absolutely no nutrition. A 12-ounce beer offers about 150 calories. A 5-ounce glass of wine is 120 calories. If we compare that to an afternoon snack, which is approximately 200 to 250 calories, you can easily rack up twice the amount of calories or a meal's worth of additional calories without even realizing it. Even worse, drinks that contain mixers like fruit juices or sodas continue to add to the caloric toll. Now, the second negative effect that alcohol has on the body is that it slows down your metabolism, people. And this is because alcohol is used as the primary source of fuel. Alcohol is burnt first as a source of energy. This means that sugars from carbs and lipids from fats take a back seat as being burnt as fuel. So these nutrients can easily be stored as fat if your body is taking care of the alcohol first. Now, the third negative effect that alcohol has on the body is that alcohol contributes to excess belly fat. And who wants that? I have to tell you, the beer belly is real. We don't choose where the extra weight lands when we drink excessively, and it typically accumulates as fat in our bellies. Now, moving on to the fourth negative effect that alcohol has on the body. Well, it affects your judgment, especially with food. Alcohol lowers inhibition and increases the munchies. A recent study showed that drinking alcohol over a period of 3 days showed an absolute increase in calories consumed. The study also showed that alcohol can increase the urge to eat because of the hunger signals triggered in the brain. Now, the last negative effect that I'll be covering that alcohol has on the body is sleep, people. Most people feel that alcohol relaxes and calms you, but it absolutely has the opposite effect. Good research shows that alcohol actually disrupts sleep cycles, which leads to increased cravings for sugar and fat, which would explain those cravings for a tall mochaccino latte to boost energy levels after a poor night's sleep. Now, let's look at my top 5 tips to curb the drinking and the weight gain. Now, here is my first easy top tip. Try to set a limit on the number of drinks you'll be drinking at the party and stick to it. Now, how can you stick to it? This leads me to my second easy tip, which is using smaller glasses and sipping slowly. The point of the gathering is to connect and to have fun with people, not getting so drunk that you don't remember them or what you said or did, right? So sip that drink slowly and remember why you are at that gathering and enjoy the people that you're with. Now, moving on to my third easy tip. Try alternating alcoholic and non-alcoholic beverages. Be aware of how much you're drinking and take a moment to hydrate with water or fancy sparkling water like Pellegrino or Perrier. You'll see that might do the trick. Another fun and easy tip to consider is my fourth tip. Consider using an opaque glass or tumbler for your drink. Peer pressure is real, so eliminate it by concealing your drink. Now, my last tip is opting for low alcohol beers or non-alcoholic beverages like mocktails. This might be difficult to do in the beginning, but again, your drink does not have to be alcoholic for you to enjoy it. Now consider two of my favorites from cookathomemom.com. The first is a strawberry basil smash mocktail, and the second is a grapefruit sage mocktail that is sure to please. Now, in order to enjoy those drinks, make sure you talk to your host ahead of time to make sure they have the ingredients on hand. Now remember, don't allow alcohol during the holidays or at any point during the year to hamper your weight loss efforts, your heart health, and your overall health. By employing these 5 simple tips, you'll feel lighter, you'll sleep better, and love that alcohol no longer has power over your health or your waistline. Now, to learn more about how to curb that holiday weight gain and bloat, read the full blog on my website. The link is in the description below. And don't forget to smash that like button and subscribe to my YouTube channel for great content like this. Do it. Your body will thank you for it.